Welcome to Betty's Cooking Channel. My name is Bettye Burnett, and today I will be preparing some pork chops for dinner. So I'm going to go ahead and wash the pork chops, and I will show you the ingredients that I will be using. I have washed the pork chops, so now I'm going to let them marinate for 30 minutes in this bag here. These are the two ingredients that I'm using, Sazon and also salt. What I'm going to do is bake them in the oven at 350 degrees for 45 minutes. I place them in the bag and I'm massaging the seasoning into the pork chops. So I'm going to refrigerate them for 30 minutes and then I will place them in It's been 30 minutes, so I've taken the pork chops out of the refrigerator and I'm going to add them to the pan. I'm going to spray the pork chops with some spray, and I'm going to place them in a 450 degrees oven. These are the pork chops. They're cooked at 450 degrees for 45 minutes. They look delicious, and it's only two ingredients used in this recipe. So if you like this video, like, subscribe, and share this video with your friends and family. Thank you for watching Betty's Cooking Channel.